Oh no. Nothing is going right today.
What are you doing?
We're going rogue. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my DIY channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done a proper DIY, but we're back doing fan requested DIYs. So I asked you guys on Twitter and on Instagram to give me some super specific DIY projects. So like, we get as specific as making like a terrarium out of a light bulb, because I am just here to satisfy your DIY needs. And I'm actually super excited for some of these because you guys have been requesting a DIY graduation cap, I feel like, for every year since I've ever started this channel. And today we gonna make one. We're gonna try it out. This is like not a thing in Canada. Like we don't get to do cool things on our grad caps. So this is the DIY I'm gonna be starting with. It was requested by this person right here. And also like every person ever since I've started DIYing. I feel like people get really witty with these. So we're gonna get like a little witty, but not like get kicked out of school witty, because like we graduate, baby. Grad cap is doing some weird things. I don't know what's going on with this texture. It might be because I only spent $7 on this grad cap on Amazon, so it could be a supply situation. But let me know what kind of texture your grad cap is, and I will give you some of my obvious expertise grad cap DIY advice when this doesn't turn out. Hopefully we can salvage it, but she's not looking so good right now. She's not looking good. She might be salvageable.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is the beauty of DIY. You really don't know what's gonna happen. Guys, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I have literally been painting and just making the cardboard insert of this really ratchet graduation cap soggy for the last like half an hour. So I think this is a situation where a little less is just more in this situation, and I'm just making it soggier and soggier. It's a little questionable, just like my own graduation was a little questionable. Did I really go to school that much in order to graduate? Not really. But it's fine, perfectly decorated, so it's okay. So I'm gonna set this aside to dry, and then we're gonna go in with a little more decor and maybe just cover this up a little bit. The reality of DIYing, guys, it's so real.
What are you doing?
We're going rogue. And also I don't want to walk downstairs and spray paint this, so we're just doing this on the side of my roof. Safety first, everybody. Oh yeah, this is the move. Ah! Oh my god. It's all just going, it's not good. It's not good.
Hold on, let's just see what is going on here.
What?
This just looks so funny.
Oh my gosh, guys, this has really come a long way. Does it look great? No. Acceptable? Yes, I would say so. Honestly though, like it's pretty cute. We have an accidental tie-dye situation happening here. Like it looks like a paint pouring technique. It was absolutely on accident, but we're gonna go with it. And honestly, it turns out not bad. I would wear this and get photographed from an aerial perspective and would not be ashamed of it. How does this even work? What do you do with this? Does this part go on the front? Oh, I forgot I have a little ponytail on. No. Oh yeah, that ain't it. That ain't it. This is good B-roll. Next up, I've got some DIY planters, some easy ways to just make this not look so much just like a poop planter. So I've got fake succulents because we're not trying to keep a real plant alive. Add some floral foam in, some little like planty rock toppers, and then some fake succulents and stuff. Nothing is going right today. Guys, I miss doing room decor DIYs so much. Like, I know the DIYs are like kind of more fun now, but like I want them to be fun for you guys, but like cute. Guys, you better go make this DIY and tweet me photos because this is so easy, and I know all of y'all have washi tape. Maybe not all of y'all, but like send me pictures if you do this DIY. Guys, these turned out low-key so cute. Got a little bit of a size situation here. Creative problem solving, stand by. Okay, so I just stuffed a little fabric in there so we can use the floral foam to stick our succulents in. Oh no. Stand by for more creative problem solving. Okay, so next up is potentially the most specific DIY request I've ever received. So basically we have these like light bulb terrariums, and you guys sent me a few different light bulb terrariums, like some that had actual just like moss and fake succulents in them, and then another one where there was like suspended flowers. So I did a little test run just to make sure my theory was like gonna work. Thank God. It does. Because I was worried that we'd have to get like super technical and use like resin and stuff, and like I don't really know anything about that world. So I got these little light bulbs, like fake light bulb jars just at Michael's, and then I'm just using regular clear Elmer's glue and then some fake flowers, and they literally just suspend and it looks so freaking cute. Thank you for this idea because I love it. Enjoyed these fan requested DIYs, and thank you so much to everyone who requested super specific projects. I had so much fun kind of challenging myself to things that I hadn't previously thought of doing. But honestly, aside from the grad cap, everything turned out pretty cute. And if you try out any of these DIYs, make sure to send me photos at laurDIY on Instagram using the hashtag laurDIY. Thank you so much to the pretty little Laur of the week. I know I haven't done a oh, here we go again. This is why I stopped doing it. Pretty little Laur of the week in a little bit, but thank you so much for supporting laurDIY products. If you haven't already picked out some laurDIY merch, the link for that will be in the down bar below, shop.laurDIY.com. I'm out of breath. I feel like I just like promote so many different things. Also, if you guys like seeing the mess ups and the reality behind some of the creative problem solving that goes into some of the DIYs, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. I honestly like doing it because it's really what happens, because I don't do these DIYs before I do them for you guys. So let me know if you like seeing the behind the scenes of like what really goes down. Anyways, if you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, there'll be linked down bar below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for the vlog on Sunday. Just skipping words. Sunday. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen. That's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the